Guys, welcome back to Jestina's kitchen. Guys, I'm going to make something very simple and easy, very tasty, yummy and delicious, which is going to be chicken wrap. If you try this meal, you'll never stop doing it. I've tried it several times over and over and over again, and my kids love it so much. I'm going to add in paprika mix, I'm going to add in onions, garlic, so it's gonna be very tasty. It goes very fast. If you want to make something light, something quick for your lunch or dinner, this meal is the perfect one. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share to help this little channel grow. So stay tuned. Let's begin. I've already peeled 1.5 onions and sliced them into veggies with some mixed paprika, together with 4 garlic cloves crushed. To prepare chicken breast for 4 servings, I will utilize 1,500 of the chicken breast, clean thoroughly and sliced thinly. Ensure the item is thoroughly dried before seasoning. First, add pinch of salt. Then use any seasoning of your choice. I am using Jestina's Kitchen salted herbs. And if you're interested to know how I do my salted herbs, you can check it out in one of my previous videos in YouTube. I'm now seasoning the chicken breast thoroughly until fully incorporated, then set aside for it to marinate for 30 minutes. As you know, chicken breast cooks very fast, so we don't need to stir fry it so long. Preheat the pan to high heat and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Spread it out. The chicken has been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes, so I'm now going to start to turn them. Ensure the chicken is rotated frequently to achieve optimal tenderness. I offer meat or prawn options, however, today's preparation features chicken breast. Add in more seasoning to the chicken if required taste. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, which is optional. You don't need to add it in if you don't want it in. Guys, I am now going to transfer the chicken breast in a bowl with a lid. I'm going to cover that. As you can see, it's just a little bit of oil left over from the chicken. I'm utilizing the leftover chicken oil to saute the onions until translucent. I'm using 2 different onions, the red one and the white one, just about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll add in the mixed paprika. To add in the paprika mix. This is pepper sauce that I have here that is very tasty. Add in just a bit. Which is the salted herbs. If you want to know how I did that, you can check it in one of my previous videos. It's available. Garlic powder, a little bit of chili flakes, and then some paprika powder. Very quickly. Beautiful, guys. And it smells so good. This is 3 garlic cloves, crushed or blended, and then we stir it again. Guys, if you taste this one, you'll never stop doing it, I'm telling you. So we give it a stir. Wow, guys. Okay, just here in the corner. Now cover it to show you both of the two. The onions, raw onions, cucumber and tomatoes. If you want it more spicy, you can add in some pepper sauce or any spice of your choice. I'm going to wrap it. This. So guys, look at that. If you taste it, you will never stop doing it. Look at that, wow. My God. Mouth-watering, tasty and yummy. mixing the salad, iceberg salad. So guys, this is all what I have for you today in Jestina's kitchen, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like and share to help my channel grow, and see you next week in another edition. And don't forget to take care of yourselves. Bye. I love you all and stay blessed. Bye.